range.
Okay.
And for me, the one I got is kind of it's Ryobi, but it's not a cheap Ryobi one. It's probably about like $100 or so. Have great value. It's I would say the best version of that. And certainly I think a more reliable version than anything you get at Harbor. Folded over, you can get it in 2 projects. I did a desk, like a little mini desk, that could hang on the wall. And I use it more sort of safe and correct utilization.
Another price of mine. So this is a tool.
Dining table.
Well, there was the do you guys remember the Seinfeld reverse episode? Maybe I can do a Four Eyes reverse episode someday.
There you go. I was using it a lot on this dining table, working on the pocket holes around the base area, so I think everything I recommended I used on this.
Some sort of remnant pieces. I want to do some stone coffee tables and like a desk. So that might be left over from a big custom countertop job, but still big enough where you could make something cool out of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I found a bunch of pieces like those, and so it's about 1.25 to 1.5 inches thick. So I'm pretty excited. And then one of a black slate, and they're both like.
There'll be some people that are a household name, but like it's funny to.
Kids are gonna learn about him in school.
Yeah.
I think that's the secret. Is it's got to be people that you learn about in school. Thank you guys for listening. We're sorry that we rambled for so long here at the end. Maybe it was entertaining, maybe it wasn't. If you guys want to follow us on Instagram, we are at Modern.
Example of how you could make other wood pieces that fit inside to make. I mean, you're I would table.
That would be a cool one. Yeah.
Should we get started?
year or the last 6 months or whatever. So anyway, I was just curious if you guys had looked at that at all, or if you're not even feeling settled yet. So
I feel settled, but I feel like there's chaos all around me. But I'm settled right where I work, so I can have a centered peace of mind while I do what I got to do.
did you feel like that in the city though, too,
Yep.
at all, or were you totally settled?
I felt like that since I was conscious.